The Skechers SKX JE is shaping up to be one of the most talked about basketball releases of 2025, marking Joel Embiid's bold move into a new era of signature sneakers. After stepping away from Under Armour, Embiid is proving that big men can sell shoes, teaming with Skechers for the brand's first-ever signature basketball model. Built for power, versatility, and control, the SKX JE uses a reinforced mesh upper wrapped in aggressive stability web panels that deliver full foot support, symbolizing Embiid's dominant, all-around presence on the court. The outsole mirrors this same web pattern for enhanced traction, while Skechers keeps the branding minimal with a clean S logo on the midsole and Embiid's J initials on the tongue. Slated for a December 2025 release, the SKX JE will drop via Skechers and select retailers both online and in-store. Priced at $130, this debut model signals a major shift in the basketball sneaker landscape and spotlights Embiid as the league's newest signature shoe force.